Hot days and cooler markets? I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. More homes for sale in the East Bay during July compared with last year, up 10%. That's hot if you're a buyer, but for sellers, the market definitely cooled. Sales dropped 6%, and homes are on the market on average 26 days. That's a 16% increase from last July. Let's see if things are warmer or cooler in your neighborhood. 880 corridor. More homes for sale everywhere. Big increases in the smaller communities. Alameda with 30 on the market, Castro Valley 63, Newark 64, Union City 57. Prices dropped in almost half the 880 communities. Albany down 9%. Look at the Tri-Cities. Fremont down 6%, Newark down 1%, and Union City down 17%. Two big exceptions. Alameda up 10% to $1.22 million, and Oakland prices up 12% to $873. Fewer homes sold throughout the area. Berkeley down more than 30%, San Leandro down 37%, Hayward down 18%, Union City down 17%, Fremont down 19%. West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale? Mixed. El Cerrito up 27% with El Sobrante down 25%, Panola up 39%, San Pablo down 27%. Sales prices also mixed. El Cerrito had the biggest drop at 8%, Hercules down 7%, Richmond and San Pablo both up. Home sales mixed too. El Cerrito down 19%, but El Sobrante up 55%, Richmond down 7%. Central Contra Costa County. Mixed markets for buyers. Clayton up 36%, but sellers backed off in Concord and Martinez with inventory down 20% and 31%. Pleasant Hill up 6% and Walnut Creek up 14%. Sales prices. Clayton stands out with a 10% increase. Concord flat, Martinez and Pleasant Hill down 6% and 7%. Walnut Creek up just 1% to $1.228 million. Homes sold? Take Concord out of the mix and sales are flat or down everywhere else. La Miranda. Homes for sale in Lafayette down slightly, 4%. Moraga more than doubles and Orinda up 9%. More supply and higher prices? Yep. Lafayette up 19% to $1.663. Moraga up 7% and Orinda up 10%. Those prices put a chill on sales. Lafayette down 16%, Moraga basically flat, and Orinda down 19%. Tri-Valley. Lots of homes for sale. Alamo up 16%, Danville 7%, Livermore 6%, Pleasanton 14%, San Ramon 60%. Only exception is Dublin, which dropped 7%. Sales prices down or stabilizing. One exception, Alamo up 26%. Everywhere else, Danville down 4%, Dublin 1%, Livermore 4%, Pleasanton 3%, and San Ramon down 2%. Homes sold? Mixed. Danville drops 24%, Dublin up 7%, Livermore up 2%, Pleasanton down 21%, and San Ramon down 13%. We'll wrap it up in the Delta. More homes for sale. Antioch up 23%, Brentwood 36%, and Pittsburgh 4%. Prices mixed. Antioch up 7%, Brentwood 1%, and Pittsburgh down 2%. Homes sold, buyers backed off a bit. Antioch down 11%, Brentwood down 3%, but Pittsburgh up 9%. East Bay markets are still adjusting to new buyer and seller behavior. More price changes and some stability could be coming. We'll see you next month.